Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do the swapping the hard drive. Let's first take the battery out. Let's see, I'm going to do this alright, on the side, and this one is a couple screw here. Just need to take them out. Pretty easy, straightforward. So I'm replacing this Seagate Momentous with the SanDisk Extreme 240 gig SSD. The drive, the SSD itself, like I tried to upgrade the firmware with when I plug in with one of my as a USB thing, but it seemed like it did not work. So I'm gonna try this way. Let's see whether it's gonna fix the issue. Alright, pretty easy. A couple more screws right here. To one side. The one from Sony just basically like that, so it's not like a complete frame or something. Oh shit, this one is tight. Oh man. Alright, I just managed to take this one out too, so okay, so here's the SSD. It's gonna go in this way. So those thing is gonna go like this. Alright. And this one, I'm gonna go, let's see, I'm gonna test this. Okay, see, I did it wrong, so sorry. This video is gonna be a little bit longer. Alright, it has to be like this. Okay. Turn this. Alright, and then put them in. Oh, I think I put the wrong. Okay, this is the right screw. Alright, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the battery back on. Kind of look at some dust right here. Okay, and a little bit, and snap it right in. This one. Sometimes the hardest part is put this back is if it's not snapped. Okay, there's only two screws to tie. Keep this one on. It's this, and the other one is this one. Alright, now is the moment of crush. The system can boot. By the way, I have Windows 8 in this one, so it should work. Right, I'm going to change the let's see. Okay, let's exit. Alright, it's going to boot from the USB first, and I'll keep you updated whether I can successfully install Windows 8. and you may see right now it's getting copies. So looks good. So the only thing left right now for me is to update the firmware. So